This is a brief tutorial on converting machine embroidery designs for use with the QuiltCAD quilting software. We are in Embroidery 2010 editor, so we will open an existing embroidery design. I've saved one in my QuiltCAD folder under Patterns, Converted from Embroidery Designs, Embroidery Library. We will use the yarn and needles.dst file. I select it, click OK, and there's the design that we want to use at the quilting machine. The one thing you need to remember converting embroidery designs to quilting designs is to remove the jump stitch that starts at the beginning of the design. So click Options, and by default Add Jump Stitch to First Stitch is selected. Let's click that to turn that option off, and then click File, Save As. And for use in the QuiltCAD program, we need to save this design as a QLI. That option is about 2/3 down in the second column. Quilting Statler Stitcher, HQ Pro Stitcher, QLI. Make sure there's a check mark there and click OK. We want to save this design in the Embroidery Library folder in our QuiltCAD software. So we're going to save that as Yarn and Needles. Save. And you'll notice that it is saved as a QLI. And that's all there is to it, converting a machine embroidery design for use with the QuiltCAD software. One thing I do need to caution is that it is preferably the best, or if not essential, that you use a running stitch embroidery design, like a red work design that only sews in a running stitch, not a bean stitch or a triple stitch, and only sews one time around. Now we will close this Embroidery software and we'll get ready to open our design in QuiltCAD.